Welcome to a new episode of the Unreal Engine series. In today's video, we will learn the architecture of Unreal Engine. Let's get started. The internal architecture of Unreal Engine is organized at different levels and for different purposes. Using the third-person template and referring to the following image from the Unreal documentation, we will explain the following basic classes. First, the game is controlled by the Game Mode class. This class will include all the logic related to the rules of the game. It is what control the world that the players and objects are. This game mode is a single controller per scene, but multiple scenes could share the same game mode. Among the basic rules that the file can include are the minimum and maximum number of players. What missions have each player after entering the world? Where will it appear on the map? If he is from Team 1 or 2, among other rules. The Game Mode class can take advantage of the Game State class. In this, you can save the information that needs to be synchronized between different players, for example, the team score. Which players are on which teams? The current state of the game, as example, pre-game, playing, end game, among other values. Going back to the graph, the next class is the pawn. This class is the base of all the actors that will be used. An actor is any object that can be used on the stage, such as meshes, camera, players, among other things. The pawn is the physical representation of a player or an artificial intelligence, so this class will have the visual setup of how the object looks in the scene. In addition, it will have the necessary information to be displayed on the screen, such as location, rotation, and scale. The character class is a special type of pawn that has the ability to move around the stage. The AI controller, or the artificial intelligence controller, is the specialized class to move an object on the scene. For this class, the visual part is separated from the logical part. In this class, the rules to be followed by the artificial intelligence are configured, and from this, passes a pawn to move it and control its animations. The player controller class is the interface used by us people to control the pawn. Unlike artificial intelligence, it will be the human player who decides the movements of the pawn. Also, in this class there will be the configuration to join the input interfaces, input controller, the output interfaces such as the HUD or the camera controller. For the input controller, we can use it directly inside the player controller or use the enhanced input interface. While for the graphical user interface, HUD or GUI, the widget classes are used, which can be called by each of the existing player controllers to display the necessary information. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.